it do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for future uploads, you guys. Also, make sure you guys share this video out because my house is a disaster, and I want to give you guys some cleaning motivation, so here you have it. Also, you guys, once you're done watching this video, I want you guys to go head over to Walker Fam and definitely subscribe to her channel. If you guys like my content, you guys are definitely going to like hers. So go ahead, head over, support her, subscribe to her channel, and show her some love, you guys. And listen here, I know you guys are probably looking at my shoes like, what the heck is wrong with her? Listen, these are my husband's shoes. My house shoes broke, so I'm using these shoes, and they are very comfortable, so I don't see the need why I need to go buy another pair of shoes. So you guys are going to be seeing these shoes in a couple videos. Please don't hate me for it.
Trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free. I'm running away from this pain. I'm trying to find a new way where...
Alright, this is my kitchen, you guys. This is my kitchen right now. I need to get this all cleaned up because, listen here, this is bad. This is as bad as it's been in a long time. So I got to get this all cleaned up, you guys.